Welcome to today's home update. I'm Julia. Save for a few juice bars whipping up olive-colored potions. Most big cities fall short in the green department. To combat those concrete jungle blues, pretend your apartment isn't spatially challenged and start a garden. Unless you're one of the few renters with a bit of grass to your name, you probably won't have a yard to flex your green thumb in. Your patio or balcony's a given, but there are other areas you can green up too, such as privacy walls, railings, window boxes, fire escapes, storage units, overhangs, walls, or doorways. Whichever location you choose, keep in mind that surrounding buildings will cast shadows throughout the day. Your urban garden may receive full sun, partial shade, or full shade. Plantings that require full sun include basil, peppers, geraniums, tomatoes, crocuses, and cilantro. Root vegetables, lilies, tulips, parsley, and wisteria do well with partial sun. Violets, some ivy, and fern varieties, and greens like spinach and kale can survive in partially shady or shady areas. If you find yourself yearning for greener pastures after moving to the city, consider creating your own lush oasis with an urban garden. Thanks for watching today's home update. See you next time.